Going on, guys? We got another update with the Robinhood stock, and don't worry, you have not missed out yet because I still think we're gonna 2x from this point. Now, those of you who saw my video yesterday and did participate in the game, congratulations on that, because we did move up about 7% today, and this was the current resistance yesterday. We actually broke it pretty early on in the morning, and we moved up ever since until pretty much the end of the day, where we pulled back just a little bit. But we did end up closing at $42.02, right at that EMA on the 5 minute. And we have now been green for 2 days, so I would be very careful for tomorrow if you are trading this. Good entry points would be somewhere around 38.80, 38.90, right at this support line from the previous day. And then maybe, sell at the resistance around here somewhere around 42, 43. But the goal is potentially to 2x this in value. And I think we can do this in a very short amount of time. If we take a look at the 4 hour time frame, we did end up breaking it. And we have a lot of room to go all the way up to the moving average here. So that would be around 49, like right below $50 a share. And I'm not even planning on holding it that long. I like somewhere around here, I will be taking some of the gains around 45, $46 a share and maybe waiting on a little pullback so I can get back in. But for the long term, for those of you holding long term, this is the perfect play to 2x in value because the analysts are predicting on the low that this stock is worth $39 a share. And we were at that price yesterday, and we actually moved up a little bit today, but that's still not that far. And on average, analysts are predicting that we're going to be at like $66 or $67 a share, something like that. And that is the high right there. From this point, this is currently almost 2x in value right here. And on the high, they're predicting we're going to be over $100 a share. So I think it's a safe play to, trade this all the way up until at least $66 a share. And the way I see this is easy money almost. But we've broken the EMA. We got room to come up to here on the 1 hour time frame. We're right up at that moving average. This is why you saw the little sell-off happen at the very end of the day here, because this is currently the resistance. So this is going to be tomorrow's big point to see if we can break the 1 hour moving average and the high from yesterday. Let me see what price that's at. $42.92. If we can break that, then we're continuing to move up. Some current resistances would be, really, that's the only resistance is that moving average, and then from there we can have another pump. Yeah, this is why I'm taking some profits on the 45, because if you can see on the 1 day, we got the EMA line. And I will be updating this every single day to see how we do. If we end up pulling back a lot to the low 30s, I will be buying a ton of this stock, because this has nothing to do with the finances of this stock. This stock is really, really doing great. And, the only reason of the pullbacks is because the recent tariffs. And I think that's short term. We could be moving up here. We could be seeing another pump tomorrow. So I would be really careful for tomorrow because we already been green for 2 days in a row. The first day we moved up like 9%. Today we moved up a little over 7%. These are kind of big moves, and if you can see on the 4 hour time frame, we are approaching the RSI high, so we might see either after hours, overnight hours, or something. We might see this pull back a little bit. So for those day traders, I would watch this support around 38.80, because those are some good entry points right there. If you can get in on those, you can trade this right back up to $41, $42 a share. So yeah, I'll keep updating this tomorrow. Make sure you subscribe. I have no subscribers yet, so I'm hoping to get someone here. If you guys can just subscribe, I'll keep updating you guys every single day. See you guys tomorrow.